So I just thought I'd do a quick room tour of the building that we're staying in at Preston Montford. This is for the S295 Open University Pollination Field School. So I am in room number 10 of the Wenlock Building. So you come in the room just here, here's my door. There's a wardrobe on your right, which I'm not using because I'm only here for like 3 days, so it's not really worth unpacking. But you do get a wardrobe and some shelf space. And on your left, you've got a shelf and some drawers. And then the fire evacuation plan. This room sleeps two, but I've paid a supplement so I can have it to myself because there's no way I'm sharing. The beds, if you like a hard mattress, then this room and these beds are for you. The beds are rock hard, but what I did do is I pinched the duvet off of this bed, and I've just kind of like put it under the base sheet of this one, just to kind of make it a bit softer. I think you're actually kind of supposed to sleep down this end, but I quite like a fan at night, so I've kind of got my fan up there. I'm sleeping this end, and then I'm kind of using these two like bar stools as a headboard, I guess, makeshift headboard. Above each bed there's a cupboard, and inside the cupboard there's a blanket. You've also got like a little sort of reading light, and then you've also got over here a little desk light. There are 2 sockets in the room. And you've got a desk area here in front of a window with a fairly nice view. Oh, I just saw a rabbit go by then. You've got some more drawers and a shelf under here, so I've like packed all my snacks. You've got a radiator. I turned mine off because I like my room to be cold. But you do have control of the radiator, so if you do prefer a warm room, you can turn it on. Bathroom was actually a lot bigger than I was expecting. Again, I've not packed anything away because I'm not here for very long. The tap is a push-down tap, so you just push it down and it will stay on for a certain amount of time. The only toiletries included are soap in a hand dispenser, so you'll need to bring shower gel and shampoo with you, and you know, flannel, any other toiletries that you use. Okay, so it's only soap that's included. They do provide towels, so they've got like a sort of bath mat type towel, a sort of small hand towel, and then like a slightly bigger kind of body towel. The shower cubicle is, like I say, surprisingly big actually. I was really quite surprised at the size of the bathroom. When I sort of walked into the room, like the bedroom area, I was thinking, bathroom's not going to be all that great. But yeah, it's actually a really decent sized bathroom. The light is automatic up there, so when you walk in, I think you kind of have to like hit the sensor at the right spot when you walk in. But yeah, the light and the extractor fan should come on. If not, just wave your arms around. The shower is a push button one, so again you push it and you'll just have to kind of like push it periodically to keep it going. Haven't actually tried it yet. I'm going to get in the shower tonight, but I put it on just now just to sort of see, and it does look like it packs a punch, so that's pretty good. And that's kind of it really, so it's really basic. But to be honest, you know, you're not going to be doing the pollination field school, you know, you're not going to be in your room very much. It's a really full-on day. We've had our breakfast at 8. Our first lecture is at 9:15, and then I think our final lecture this evening finishes at 9 as well. So it's a really full-on day, you know, you're not going to be in your room really very much at all. So yeah, you're not really paying for your accommodation, to be honest. I think most of the money is going on the sort of the lectures and the teaching experience. But it does the job. But yeah, I thought I'd just do this video just to kind of help other people who are thinking of booking on, just to kind of manage expectations and yeah, give people an idea of what to expect.